Welcome back to my channel, everybody. In this video I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to implement VR teleportation as it was seen in the lab by Valve and other games like Arizona Sunshine. This is a very easy method of implementing an almost similar teleportation system to move around in your game. So let me start a new project. I'll call it Teleportation. In this video I'm going to start from scratch and I'm going to download the Steam VR plugin first. Let me go to Asset Store and look for Steam VR plugin, and this is the plugin, and let's import it. Now if you do not know how to set up a VR scene, you should go to my channel and look at the playlist. The link is in the description. It's a tutorial series for complete beginners. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can implement the teleportation system. So once this is imported, I am going to get rid of the main camera. Let's accept all. Let's get rid of the main camera. And we're going to prefabs and dragging camera rig from prefabs under Steam VR in our project hierarchy, and let's drag it into the scene. That's one thing done. Now we want to go to the scene and let's create a plane to navigate. A very simple scene. Let's create a cube and we are going to place it a little full. Okay, and then move it down a bit. Let's scale this out and scale this out. Let's apply a different material. So I'm going to create a new material here. Let's call this floor. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to drag this texture to the albedo, and I'm going to drag floor here, and now we're going to implement the teleportation system. For this, you're going to need to download a library from GitHub. You can just go ahead and say Vive Teleporter, and this is the link. So you can go right in, you can download zip. Once you've extracted the zip folder, what you want to do is go inside the folder, go to assets in there, you'll find Vive Teleporter. Now you want to drag this and drop it into your Unity project in assets. Now you have your Vive Teleporter. Now it is very easy to implement, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go under Vive Teleporter under prefabs, and I'm going to drag nav mesh and pointer into my scene. Once I've done that, I want to go to camera rig and I want to go to I under camera rig, under camera head, and in I want to drag some of these scripts. So I want to drag the border renderer and I want to drag teleport Vive in here. Now what I want to do is I want to set the pointer to be this pointer. I want to set the origin transform to be camera rig, the head transform to be camera head, and I want to drag nav mesh animator right here, and then I want to say let's go to art and materials. You want to drag fade material to fade black to fade material. Once you've done that, you want to go to nav mesh. Okay, you want to go to pointer and you want to drag your nav mesh to this attribute here. So nav mesh is this. Now you want to go to window and you want to go to navigation. Right here. Now you want to select your mesh and you want to come here and select navigation static, and right here on the right hand corner you want to select bake. Now let's save the scene first, and let's call this Tele. And once you've baked it, now, yeah, you want to go to camera controller left, and you want to add a Steam VR tracked controller. You want to go to controller right, and you want to add Steam VR controller. Tracked controller. And now what you want to do is you want to go to I again, and you want to say add 2 controllers, not 20. And once you set your controller size to 2, you'll have 2 slots here to fill. And the way you're going to fill them is you're going to drag your controller left, then you're going to drag your controller right, and that's that. So that is pretty much set up. Let's see if we missed anything. So I want to hit the play button and go to my Vive headset, and let's see if it's working. So here we are. I got my controllers, and there you go. Easy teleportation. See you later.